Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manikeny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. If you're already part of this Manigang though, I appreciate you guys as usual. So today I'm going to show you guys how I go from curly to straight hair. I was actually planning to try to straighten my hair without some heat, but I will use my blow dryer. So if you want to see me doing that, stay tuned and let's jump right into this video. It's Manikeny. So I start off with freshly washed hair. My hair is washed and clean. Then I start with this Nature Box spray conditioner, which I got from Rossmann, the drugstore here in Germany. And I spray it in my hair just because my hair was already, I washed it the night before. So yeah, I spray it just to make sure that the hair is conditioned and you help me protect the hair from the heat a little bit more. So yeah, I tie my hair back and I start with I go one by one, undo one twist and then work on it. As you can see, I was enjoying the curls. They look cute. I could actually undo all of them and make a hairstyle out of it. But anyways, so now I spray the spray conditioner on the hair and make sure it gets into the hair, as you can see. I take my brush through it, make sure that I detangle it a little bit, and then I take my hair dryer and just start drying the hair while brushing it, like continuously drying the hair while brushing it. And as you can see, the hair now is looking straight and blown out, like a little bit more, stretched and blown out. This process takes forever, but I was determined, and that's the hairstyle I wanted to go for. So yeah, you do this as much as you need to your satisfaction. I could stop before here, but I just wanted to do more. And just make sure the heat is not too high, because you don't want to heat damage your hair. So as you can see, yeah, I go to the next and I do the same thing. And so I pretty much repeat this process continuously till I have gone through all of my hair. So after blow drying my hair, after blow drying every part of it, I put it in twist just to make way for me to be able to work on the other ones without everything mixing up. So yeah, I put it in twist so that it stays stretched and it stays separated from the other part of the hair which has not been done yet. And yeah, sometimes I'll undo 2-3 twists, straighten them, blow them out before twisting them all together, just to make it easier, or yeah.
One eternity later.
Guys, after some hours, I'm finally done blowing out this hair. This is what it looks like. And yeah, so the only thing I used, like I showed you guys in the beginning, is this spray conditioner. And I comb through my hair or brush through my hair and then go with my hair dryer and dry it while brushing it, as you saw. And that is pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know if you have ever done this and how do you do it, what products do you use, and if you would do it, let me know what you think of this result. I really love it, and I hardly use heat in my hair. I try not to, but I wanted to do this blowout today to film it and show you guys. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Before you leave, if you loved this content or you love my content generally, please subscribe below, click the little bell beside it so you get notified every time I post something new. Do not miss any updates. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.